Hey there tubers, it's me AMR and welcome to an unboxing video on this channel. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing video, so I thought, you know what, why not? I just bought this smartwatch. It's called the Y1 Bluetooth smartwatch. I just bought it and I thought, why not just unbox it? There's not many unboxing videos on YouTube of this watch, so let's go straight into it. And to be honest, it's already unboxed. I just got it very slowly, lift it up like that. Any minute now, it's gonna fall. It's gonna be revealed. I think it's a bit shy. Damn it! Come on. I didn't have anyone today to help me camera this, so I'm doing it all alone, and it's a real struggle unboxing with one hand. There we go. And there's the watch, all mummified. All mummified. And it's just wrapped around like that. Oh, I like the texture of this. It's like a nice sponge. And it looks just like the Samsung S watch. Looks just like it. Here's the watch itself. So what we get inside is a USB cable with... Is that Type-C? Come on, camera, focus. It is. It's the standard. Oh, it's the standard USB thing that you get. Like charge that way. That's cool. That's cool. And we get this instruction manual. That is perfect. I will understand. Oh, that is truly Chinese. It's flipping doing karate right there. I mean, here it is. It's all in Chinese. Yep, I'm gonna have a really great time reading that. My camera is focused on something else. Dude, what the hell? Right then, onto the watch. The main things that the guys have been waiting for. Let's get it out. Get out, man. There we go. Oh, crap. Flipping already killed it. Dude, that just broke my heart. But anyways, let's get it out. You know what? I'll use two hands to get this out. Right then, tubers, there you have it. There's the watch out and about. Out of its box. It looks absolutely beautiful, to be honest. It really does. Even though my camera's still not focusing on it. Come on, dude. Why are you not focused? There we go. There we have it. It's focused, finally. Pretty cool. That's where the USB is going to go to charge it. And it's got one button. Of course, it's got one button because everything else is touchscreen. At the back, you got this base. It's not that fat, actually. I was expecting to be fat, but I'm pretty impressed. It's not that fat. At the back, there's a battery over there. You get a lithium battery, and you can put a SIM card in here as well as a memory card. You can put a memory card of up to 8 gigabytes. I think there's no use of putting in more than 8 gigabytes. It probably can't even handle it. I don't know if it's got charge. Let's see if it's got any charge. Have you got any charge? Are you like, oh, whoa, it's got vibration. It's got vibration, guys, and it's got a built-in speaker. So far, at the moment, I can see it's got a call log. Oh, wow. How awesome are these buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, the touchscreen is really, really nice. I mean, I just pressed them in order and it actually worked. What will happen if I call? What's that? I can't even see. There we go. It says select call, local call, BT call. Cool. So BT, I'm mostly going to be using... Oh yeah, I completely forgot you can put a SIM card in this. Did I say that? I can't remember. Yeah, but messages, there's the messaging and write message. Okay, how am I going to write? Holy crap, can you see that keyboard? Dudes. No, wait. Can I write my name at least? A, M, and... Damn it, AMQ. Oh, epic fail. Well, I almost had it. Right. How do we go back? Go back like that. Cool. Where's the menu? All right, that's the menu. What we have here is a dialer. Damn it, let me just focus in again. Come on, phone, focus. You can do it. Focus. I'm sure you can focus, man. I don't even know how to use this S8 camera properly. There we go. It's better focusing there. Right. We got a dialer, phone book, call logs, messaging. We have Bluetooth, anti-lost, and remote. I don't know what that remote's going to do. We have calendar, quick reader, pedometer, and I think there's a citometer or something. Sleep monitor, file manager, alarm, profiles, calculator, that's going to be useful. Audio, image viewer, audio player, sound recorder, yeah man. There's a theme, there's Facebook, there's some motion crap going on there, there's power. Holy crap, what's up? Please insert memory card. It probably means SIM card. Twitter and browser. There's even an internet browser. Are you kidding me right now? Wait, let me check the internet browser. I think I need a memory card in here for anything. What is in the settings? Phone settings. What phone settings? I just want normal settings, man. Oh, so this watch is not classed as a watch. It's classed as a bloody what do you call it now? Flipping phone. Wallpaper. Image 1. System. What? Image 1. System. Static wallpaper. Let's just do system for now. Right, guys, you know what? I'm going to end the review right now because I really want to get into this watch and play about with it. Obviously, I can't review it 100% because I haven't even used it yet, guys. I just unboxed it right now. So, tell me what you think about this, guys, in the comment section below. And if you would like me to make more videos about this smartwatch, let me know in the comment section below. I will also list all the details, the specs and everything of this watch down in the description of this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, there will always be gaming videos as long as unboxing videos. This channel is a mixture of everything, guys. All the entertainment right on AMR. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit that like, subscribe, hit everything you see on the screen. Peace out.